Hey guys, it's Skybird, and everything is backwards for me on screen, but that's because we're going to be taking a look at Kopaka Mystika in today's build. And so, without further ado, here is my guy. I like him. I think he looks pretty good. Definitely an inspired sword build. As you've seen with most of my other Mistika, they have built-up weapons of some kind, so that is true for this one as well. The Liwa Mistika obviously did not, but that was to I liked his katanas. So, with that said, though, he is using the Kangu Inika crossbow here. I would use the Matoro sword as well, just to see how I like it, but I can't find mine for some reason. It's been lost for like a year and a half now. But with that being said, it is a pretty cool little build on the sword there, even featuring that glow-in-the-dark, lighter variant of the shell here, mentioned in the variant video. Along with that, he has the Rakshi limbs. I like the Rakshi limbs on him the best, I think, although I'm happy that the original set gave us the dark gray Paraka legs, because I do like those legs in general. But I think that there's something about that skinny nature of the Rakshi legs specifically that really suit Kopaka as a character. Moving around the back here, we actually do have a small function in here. It's nothing fancy, but pulling down, oh, get the arm out of the way, get both arms out of the way, pulling down on this little actuator here can spread the wings. It's a very simple function, but it works out really well, and it's just built around one of the 2008 piston or 2006 pistons here. So nothing too terribly complicated going on there, but it adds friction, yet it's easy to pull, so it locks in whatever position you pretty much put it in. The only thing is, he does have the Prydac short sockets up on the top arms, and honestly, I don't think that's the best choice for him, just because those do have a tendency to crack. 2007, you know, and so the arms can be a little bit floppy, and there's quite a bit of weight on this arm, noting that he has not only the blaster with the bayonet, but also a shield and a buzzsaw around it as well. And I chose the light gray here rather than the trans light blue, which I think really works. I like it. Of course, you can always swap it out for the other version. And any of them will work. Hero Factory did introduce a really cool shield in the Brain Attack wave, which is just a solid dish. I just don't think that it comes in white unless I am mistaken, but I would really prefer that one on this character specifically, just to really straighten things up and clean it up, get rid of the studs, you know, and I think it's larger than this too. With that said, he does have the Hero Factory 1.0 feet. I wanted to make sure I introduced him on at least one of the characters. They have these little jet details built into the backside, so I thought that was pretty cool. And of course, I mentioned in the Liwa video specifically this type of connection here that plenty of people have found before and after me. And then he also has the Nuparu Mari armor in silver on the legs to really showcase the amount of white he has. The white really pops on him, and I think that I like the way the wings are. I know a lot of people like to build Kopaka with like capes and stuff like that, and I understand why. I think it looks really good, but the Bittle shield here specifically, I like it more, I think, than if I use like a gray cape or something. And yeah, it fits the character really well, so I'm pretty happy with how he came out. Other than that, though, that's pretty much everything I can think of for Kopaka Mystika. Obviously, in the future, I would love to get my hands on some custom masks for these characters. A lot of people have been requesting seeing them with custom masks, so I would love to oblige. And of course, I plan on doing the breakdown videos for not only this character, Gali, Liwa, and Onua. Hopefully I can get at least one of those out tomorrow, so you guys will see it and figure out how to build them. So let me know in the comments which one you want to see first, I guess. And it's still really weird that everything's backwards. There was something else I want to mention too in the comments, but I don't remember what it is. So that's going to be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed it, make sure to like and subscribe. It does help. And of course, as always, links in the description. I'll see you all in the next one. Take care.